Are you looking for a simple and straightforward way to change the language of your Facebook account? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily change the language settings on the Facebook app. I'll walk you through all the steps, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the Settings and Privacy page, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply search for language. And then, from the search results, tap on Language and Region. After that, tap where it says Language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. And it will open up the settings of your phone. So the language on your Facebook app is set based on the language you've set on your phone. But if you want to change the language to something more specific, tap over here. And then simply tap and select any language you want from this list. For example, I'm going to select German. Once you've selected the language, close the Facebook app and reopen it again. And the language on your Facebook app will be set to the language that you selected. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.